beautiful, gorgeous, but also you are excited to give your message to the fans. Diba? Oh, by the way, I just want to say you look absolutely stunning in red. Red is the color of the day that you have right here. So I think it is time for you to give your message.
Thank you sa appreciation. Thank you. Unang-una po sa lahat, of course, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Playtime for welcoming me into this exciting journey. Sobrang honored po ako to be part of this family, kasama po si Bossing Vic Soto. At lalo na to represent a brand that's not just about play, but also about revolutionizing online entertainment. To our present media press, maraming salamat po for coming. Thank you so much na binigyan niyo po kami ng oras ninyo. Sana po matulungan niyo kami ikuwento sa lahat ang gaming at online entertainment ay hindi lang po tungkol sa laro. Kung hindi tungkol din po ito sa fun, bonding at responsibleng enjoyment. Para naman po sa public at sa lahat ng supporters ko, maraming salamat po. You've been with me through so many chapters of my life. And this one is really special kasi ang Playtime for me, hindi lang to platform eh. It's a community where we can connect, collaborate, celebrate, and enjoy together. And syempre marami pa po tayong aabangan ng mga exciting features, mga content collaborations, and many ways to play, to win, and to share happiness online. At syempre po sa Playtime users natin, wala po kami dito kung hindi po dahil sa inyo. Kayo po ang heartbeat ng platform na ito. And I'm so excited to grow and enjoy with you guys. Together, let's make every moment of Playtime memorable. Playtime na? Playtime na!
Thank you so much kasi excited mo kaming lahat dito for you to be here with Playtime. And you know, I know that everyone here is just as looking forward to everything that you will be doing with Playtime. Ay nako, alam nyo, I know marami kayong mga tanong na gustong tanungin sa ating new endorser today. And now that we've met her, let's open the floor to our friends from the media as we get those questions about this wonderful partnership that we have here today. This is going to be an exciting journey with Heaven and Playtime and of course, Bossing right here. So if we're ready with our first question, you can take the mic at the middle of the stage and ask away. Ayan, we have our first one today. Di ka na, Heaven?
Kinakabahan. Ready na.
Hindi naman to pageant, so we're good.
Ay, di ba? Okay, noted.
Alright, I think we have our first question up by the microphone. And of course, you may ask anything about the partnership we have today. It is, oh there, we have our first question. Hi, what's your name and what are you representing?
Hi, I'm Leah Salterio. Hi, Ben, how are you?
I'm good.
Nice to see you again.
I know.
What convinced you to be the who was Playtime Andor? Is she just the second one after Bossing? Just the second? Yeah, what convinced you to be just the second Playtime endorser or brand ambassador?
Yes, I mean, Playtime stood out to me because it champions entertainment at its core, diba? I love that it encourages people to enjoy, but at the same time with responsibility and heart. And so that's something I believe in. Fun doesn't have to be reckless.
That's beautiful.
Thank you. And
Thank you.
Additional question, sorry. What are you busy with aside from Playtime these days?
Aside from Playtime, ang
Yes.
pinagkakabisihan po natin, of course, I Love You Since 1892. Malapit na po yan, lalabas.
Alright.
To September 6 na po. So,
Wow, malapit na nga.
yes, on Vivo One.
Alright, thank you.
Salamat po.
Jerry.
Ang ganda nun, it is entertainment but also responsible about. Kasi too much of something is really not. Of course, we have to be controlled about how much we have fun, diba? Yes. All right. Do we have our next question?
Yes, I'm Jerry Donato. My question for you is, what's your idea of playtime?
Ang idea ko for Playtime, balance.
Okay.
It's all about balance. knowing when to play and knowing when to pause and take a breather. Kasi we have to find joy in small things. And so for me, ganun yung outlook ko for playtime.
And then, if I'm not mistaken, was it last weekend ba yun na you graced the Viva Arcada? No? Sobrang ang galing, no? These are the up and coming, and of course, you belong to the established ones. What can you say about that experience that nakasama mo sa isang stage, center stage ulit, yung mga dati mo nang nakatrabaho?
Masarap po sa pakiramdam kasi naging family na po ang mga Viva Arcada co-actors ko sa akin eh. Malaking bagay po din sila sa growth ko here in the industry. So I'm so grateful to Boss Vic for giving us the platform, diba, to showcase our talents. So yun po.
I love that. Quotable quotes of heaven, all about balance, diba? Going
Yes.
on t-shirt yun.
Diba? We can enjoy but at the same time responsible tayo. So yun.
Thank you for the question. Do we have another one from the media friends? All right. There. Hi, sir.
Hi Evan, I'm John Warner from Kumakaw.com. Congratulations on this new endorsement. First of all, this is going to be a little bit tricky to also market as far as the youth is concerned. And you're very young, and people look up to you. Now that you are part of Playtime, what would your advice be to younger generation that, still 18 and up, no, na mag-delve into having entertainment with Playtime? What would your advice be to them?
So, before naman, alam naman natin na Playtime, sila, licensed by PAC4.
Of course,
huh?
yes.
And meron naman tayong KYC, right? So, yes, we comply to the guidelines. And ang advice ko would be, it's okay to enjoy actually. It is okay. But at the same time, dapat responsible gaming tayo. So, yun ang advice ko sa kanila is to find joy in little things and knowing your limits and you know when to pause and have this parang space to disconnect and be present.
Okay. Kevin, have you already played on Playtime? And what's your favorite? Because there are thousands of games.
2,500 games.
Wow.
Yes.
And what's your personal favorite?
Ako yung game Under Jill. Under Jilly. I loved it. Pero everyday kasi, I try different games. I try different games because it's so easy, it's so accessible, and it's hassle-free. So nakakatuwa.
And parang hindi ka rin manawa.
Oo, 2,500. Parang hindi tayo mananawa dyan, di ba?
Thank you and
Maraming
congratulations.
salamat po.
Yeah, you know, true, kailan ka naman makakatapos ng 2,500 games, diba? But it is all about fun and responsible entertainment. That's what Playtime stands for. So, thank you very much for that question. Anyone else? All right, we have one more, yes?
Hi, I'm Romel Gonzalez. Heaven, anong naramdaman mo nung nalaman mong ikaw ang makakasama ni Bossing Vic sa pag-endorse ng Playtime?
Siyempre, honored po ako. Grabe, bata pa lang po ako, Bossing Vic na siya. And so, alam niyo, it's a dream of mine to work with him. And now that I'm a part of his family, of Playtime family, sobrang nakakatuwa po, nakakataba po ng puso.
Na-meet mo na siya, son?
Naku, hindi pa nga po eh. Feeling ko next time na mag-promote tayo for this sa mga next ganap, yes, makakasama po natin siya.
So Heaven, nasa bucket list mo ba, if ever, na makasama sa isang pelikula naman si Bossing Vic?
Oh, of course. Sana po, pinanood ko lahat ng mga movies niya, di ba? Lalo na nung bata po ako. Pero sana, nandito po si Boss Vic. Nakikinig sa atin. Ibibigay ko ng pang 100% ko, di ba, Boss Vic? Yes, so
Di ba Boss Vic tsaka Bossing Vic?
Oh, swerte talaga ako sa mga Boss Vic.
And for my last question, Heaven, paano mo itatawid sa publiko ang paglalaro responsibly?
We have many shows. Meron tayong mga promos tayo for that. Ang gusto ko nga dito sa Playtime is very committed na matutunan ng mga everyday Filipino natin ang responsible gaming. And so I'm excited to be an advocacy and to lend my voice with responsible gaming.
Thank you and
Maraming salamat po.
And of course, Heaven, as we can see, ito kasama mo na si Bossing here in our promo. So, soon enough, in person, ganito na rin yun.
Yes! Heavily tryo na nga, diba? Ang sabi nila. Yes.
There we have it. All right, do we have any other questions from our friends from the media about this partnership today? And we're very excited to have Heaven, promote all the fun content, as well as all the advocacy campaigns of Playtime that we have today. So that's where you're going to be finding or going to be seeing her for the rest of this endorsement. Kaya napaka-exciting talaga ng time na to and ng journey that we're going to be here with together. All right, do we have any other questions? Alam mo, ganda nung pinoint out ang isang question. You are just the second endorser after Bossing Vic.
Wow. Grabe ka rin. Wow. It's a dream of mine. And now, thanks to Playtime, naging totoo na nga siya. So, yun po.
Alright, I think that did deserve a round of applause. Pinigil lang ng mga fans eh. But yes,
Iyan pa kayo eh.
alright.
Good afternoon, Heaven. Archie Liao. Tatanong lang ako kasi sinabi mo na naglalaro ka rin, di ba, sa Playtime. Could you share your experience na was there a time na nanalo ka at saka ano yung napadalunan mo?
Wait lang. So, nung una naglalaro ako, wala akong alam. Pero nakakatuwa kasi it's not just for pros eh. For everyone siya. And organized yung library niya. Very accessible. Sobrang hassle-free. And may time na nag-bet ako, I think, mga 300. And I won mga 5Ks.
Wow!
Very lucky, kumbaga. And then nakuha ko siya within 10 minutes. Naka-withdraw ko within 10 minutes. Di ba? Ang bilis. So, yan po.
Gambling is, yung entertainment dito sa Playtime or any other is a game of chance, di ba? So, is there a game or in your life na you regret?
A game in your life that you regret in Playtime?
Or in life ba?
In life.
Ang lalim natin.
A gamble. I mean, it's a gamble in life that you regret.
A risk. Did you ever take a risk
Did I ever take a risk?
that you regret?
Wala eh. Wala talaga akong... Kasi naniniwala po ako na parang everything happens for a reason. And itong paglipat ko kunyari sa Viva, this is the best risk I have ever done. Yes. And partnering up with Playtime, the biggest, best risk I have ever taken. And so, I believe that wala akong regret sa buhay. Ayun po, maraming salamat.
Ang sarap naman pakinggan nun, walang regret si Miss Heaven Peralejo sa buhay. Wow! And ganun talaga because, everything is a choice. It is, we choose these steps that we have in life. And whatever the outcome, hindi natin alam ang mangyayari sa buhay. So we just pray and hope for the best and live a life that we are proud of. Di ba po ba? Ayan. Alright, I think that was our last question.